Santan Valley is blowing up. It's the best place to buy your first home, an investment home, work from home kind of home, any kind of home. When you come inside, it's bright and open with vaulted ceilings and a split floor plan, which is really practical and what all the buyers are looking for. And what I love about this kitchen is it's just in the right spot. You can keep an eye on everything while staying part of all the action. Less neighbors means more privacy for you, and on this one, there's no neighbors behind you. And this backyard is easy to love with its desert landscaping, turf backyard, and very low maintenance, and all the space for you to do whatever you want. And this location is absolutely amazing. You're next to everything you could ever need.